you ready to unbox it?
Yeah!
So let's go, guys! So today, guys, we will be unboxing the Little Tikes wooden block steam train for ages 2 to 102 over here. And so me and Joseph are gonna unbox it together. And thank you, Tita Mel and Tita Che, for giving us this playset to learn and imagine. So guys, here's what it looks like now. So let's unbox it. Joseph, come on, come on. Oh! So Joseph, let's take out the parts. Okay, so the first bag, guys, will be this. And there's some more over here. I just didn't get to take them out. And then there's this one. This. Which is over here, guys. I think this is for the barn. And then this is the white and black. And then I think these are the screws. So, guys, these are the people. And then this is the sheep. So yeah, guys, there's some more stuff and we'll build it. Is it okay if it's too small?
Later.
Because it's hard to make the big one like in the picture.
Big one.
Yeah, go, yes, go.
Put on.
So guys, I need help from my dad, but I'm gonna try to do this on my own because I won't give up. Okay, so I need one of these because I need to connect this, and then I need one more to connect it on here so I can make a big like in the picture. So guys, I just finished the track. It took me about a few minutes to finish it. So maybe like 10 or 15 minutes to finish it because it's hard to put it on. So yeah, guys. So guys, I am putting some trees here. Me and Joseph are putting some trees here to keep Joseph entertained while my dad removes the blocks from the stack so we can start creating our tree. And our barn and some train stations. Are you happy? So guys, this time me and my dad are building this right here, which is a train station, and this is what it looks like currently. Hey! It was so cool. So guys, we finished building the train station. So this is what it looks like, guys. And this is the entrance. This is the exit, and this is the entrance. And then when you go here, when we go back to the station, you're gonna ride a train until you arrive to the station. I'll be the tower, and I may do some packing out, so you can have a little bit of fun while my dad is building. I think and the bar. I'm working out. Red. The very red. Thank you. Very red. It's so cute that how Joseph says, "It's for me red. It's for you red. It's for me red." So now I want to start on the train this time, and yes, let's start on the train. So guys, this is the first train. First train. And you add this. Yes, Joseph, you're correct. You add this.
Akin na yung choo-choo train.
Wow, can I play? That's one thing I found out about the train. If when you're done and then you see a train black thing like that, like the train steamer, if you put some water, some smoke and steam will come out. So guys, now we will be making accessories. So guys, here are the different pieces of the train tracks, and we will now assemble it. Guys, next up is the house, and then we're gonna put these two when we're finished with the house. Okay. So let's see that over here. Thank you. And then we put this over here. There we go. And so guys, this goes over here, and then we have the Christmas tree. And you can choose anywhere you want to put it. So I'm gonna choose mine to put it over here. So guys, I'm gonna now play it with my brother. So thank you Tita Che and Tita Mel for this waffle block steam train. And we hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and hit the bell for more notifications. And we will see you in the next video. Bye guys! Thank you Tita Che and Tita Mel.